Is Donna Lambert. Good morning, board members. Your job as elected politicians is to carry out the will of the voters who elected you and to operate under the jurisdiction of state law. At the last board meeting on this issue, I heard two comments which stuck in my mind, and they are, one, that we have no rules, and two, that the laws ought to be clear. In San Diego, an extreme amount of time, effort, and money has gone into undermining the state medical marijuana laws. I would like to encourage you as a board to help the community by setting up guidelines and zoning rather than setting all strategies to arrest and prosecute those in the medical marijuana community. In the eyes of San Diego County, everything and everybody who attempts to work within these medical marijuana laws is arrested and tried as a criminal. In the courts, we are labeled as drug dealers, and all attempts are made for juries not to hear the full story of medical marijuana. You may or may not be aware that anybody and everybody who tries to help others in the medical marijuana community is targeted by those in power in San Diego. The 45-day moratorium, I could see if you were actually using that to set up guidelines, because they're definitely needed, and zoning too, and rules. But when you set up nothing, all or nothing, it creates the environment that I must suspect they want, where some stoner sets at a store and they can parade them on the news and say that that's what it's about, and it's not. The medical marijuana community needs to be safe. We're legitimate. The people that I've met were law-abiding people. That's why they get those cards. So I just urge you, if you do pass that, to really use it to set up some zoning and guidelines for safe access for legitimate patients and providers. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, please.